Yes, Miss Cassidy, yeah. Look, Miss Cassidy's strong. Go ahead, Cassidy, grab. Oh, fine, don't do it now. Come on, Cassidy, kick mommy like you used to kick her in the stomach. Oh. Okay. It's okay, Cassidy. There you go. Grab. But now you're not going to do it. Oh, look at that. Ooh, strong. Strong. Straighten that wrist. I'm going to straighten that wrist out. She's not straightening her wrist out. Really strong, Cassidy. Fine, tell me to shut up, Cassidy. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look. Holding on. Cassidy. Kick mommy. Kick mommy. Go ahead. Give her a kick. Kick mommy. Oh. Grab. Hold on tight. Oh, we're going for a ride. Going for a ride. See, I don't know why his wrists don't straighten out. Going for a ride, Cassidy. Oh, don't start crying. Oh, no, don't cry. Don't cry. Go ahead. Okay, you don't want that. Okay. Say hi to mommy. Say hi to mommy. Okay.